The Volvo XC90 offers remote start via the key fob, a convenient feature for preheating or cooling your vehicle. This function is standard on most trims with the Volvo on-call system. To initiate, ensure your XC90 is locked and the key fob is within range, up to 328 feet. Quickly press the lock button twice. The hazard lights will flash twice, and a horn chirp confirms the engine has started. The engine will run for a preset time, usually 10 to 15 minutes, before automatically shutting off. Remote start minimizes idling and improves fuel efficiency. If it doesn't start, check the app for error messages and ensure your Volvo On-Call subscription is active. If your XC90 fails to remote start, several factors could be at play. Ensure all doors are securely locked and the key fob battery is not low. Check the Volvo Cars app for any error messages or notifications, which can indicate issues like a low fuel tank or an expired Volvo On-Call subscription. In hybrid or electric models, the system may prioritize battery management, limiting remote start to electric-only mode in cold climates. For electric models, preconditioning the battery via remote start can improve range by up to 10% in cold weather. Also, be aware of integration with smart ecosystems like Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing voice-activated remote start.